Hey everyone, this is Japneet. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. And our today's video is all about prediction for 24th April. Before getting started, I just want to say prediction is just a guesswork. Please do not depend too much on this, right? Start preparing hard. Preparation is the only thing that is required to clear your IELTS test. And yes, why do students love to watch predictions? First of all, it is just a guesswork, and most of the time, my guesswork comes true. And if you guys are watching my videos from a long time, then of course you might know. But if you are new here, then first of all, please do subscribe and make sure to watch the other tips related videos of reading, listening, writing, and speaking. There are more than 700 plus videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight to the video. So let's talk about listening first. The level will be between easy and moderate. The number of multiple choice question will be around 15 to 18. So that's quite fine, more like easy. And if you guys need tips and tricks of listening, please make sure to watch the playlist. In the playlist section, there is a separate playlist for listening part where I have explained multiple choice questions and other things. You don't need to worry about that. There are less chances of a map this time in listening. Try to solve at least one listening a day, and please, as you guys know, that there is no logic in IELTS, so start listening to podcast and start watching interviews of your favorite celebrities. That will help you a lot. Moving to reading, the level will be between easy and moderate. You guys don't need to worry. First passage will be a little bit easy, second will be between easy and moderate, last will be tough. एंड वंस अगेन इफ़ यू आर हियर, अगर आपने यहाँ तक वीडियो देखी है तो एक बार फिर से आपको रिमाइंड कर दूं, दिस इज जस्ट अ गेस वर्क. डू नॉट डिपेंड ऑन दिस मच and start working hard. Even your parents want this from you, that our child should work hard to get his or her IELTS cleared. Once again, tips and tricks videos are available in the description. Links are there. Moreover, playlist section is available where more than 700 videos are present. 750 something. Talking about task 1, the first preference will be bar chart, second will be pie, and the third will be line. So I personally believe that out of these three, there will be one task. And please make sure to prepare all the tasks, not only these three, but work on all the tasks. Samples plus other important stuff is available in the playlist section. Same in task 2. The first preference will be agree or disagree, and second will be discuss both views and give your opinion. So all the best, guys. If you have any query, you can ask, and I will conduct 3 to 4 live sessions before 17th April's test and 3 to 4 live sessions before 24th IELTS test. So please do subscribe and like this video. Try to share it with your friend and try not to depend too much on this. Thank you.